Okay, it's time for tour of the fridge. So here's our fridge. It's a Samsung. So I'm going to start on this rose cup. This was Audrey with Multipack. Chicky Through. What is it? Here. Yeah, see, it's not just tomato inside. I've got nacho podre, curry, and chocolate, got milk chocolate, Milo cookies, and 2 bars of plain dairy milk. And on this, we've got some soda water. Sainsbury's soap water. Aldi's white grape and peach juice. And what's this? It's consistently cow arrow mousse.
Oh God, you're feeding me that, aren't you?
Water puree. A churros. Another Sainsbury's flavoured water. A can of Pepsi Max. After Dairy Yorkshire. What's this? Daylight spread. Milk bar buttons. Doritos. Champagne there. This brownie. Apple sauce, yeah. Jam. No bits jam. We've got moistened pickle onions. Tagliatelle. 2 packs of tortellini, cheese and tomato and ham and cheese. Got jalapenos and moistened skill. Pickle onions there. And got a yogurt tube down here. Got pickled onions. Got Grossman, Tesco onions, soup, lemon juice, Aldi Wild Rocket, basics, 3-range eggs, cream food, white sour cream, a chick finger, bacon, John tubes, and after stone lotion down there. Got another trip, grapes there, black apples, baby plum tomatoes, basil, toast brown, iceberg lettuce, wet grape, baguette, and potatoes, and Aldi limes. So then we've got raspberry coast grind, milk which is leaking, strawberry flavoured milk from Rachel's, short red grape, relish, you got to yourself honey mustard, that's body lotion, aloe vera, a co-op, 100% pure, instant, and apple load of flour. And we've got it's English toast butter, Sainsbury's, Master, flour, and our usual skim milk. So that's it. See you, bye.